If you're a freelancer who's fully booked but not earning what you should, this video will change how you work forever. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn simple systems into real income. Today we're tackling one of the biggest challenges for freelancers. It's not about getting clients, but about scaling without burnout. If you want more income without working longer hours, this is for you. Most freelancers don't struggle because they lack skill. They struggle because time becomes the bottleneck. AI assistants are the key to unlocking true scale. You can only trade so much time for money. There's a limit to what one person can produce. You can only write so many emails, design so many graphics, and manage so many clients before the system breaks and your income plateaus. AI assistants don't replace you. They remove the repetitive, low-leverage work that keeps you stuck. That's where scaling truly begins. Every freelancer should set up these 3 AI assistants to fundamentally change their workflow. The first is a writing and communication assistant. This AI handles client emails, proposals, and content drafts, saving you 5 to 10 hours every week. The second is a research and idea assistant. This AI generates content ideas, competitor breakdowns, and strategy frameworks. It turns thinking time into execution time. The third is a production assistant. This AI accelerates delivery, turning outlines into drafts and long content into short content, allowing you to deliver faster without sacrificing quality. To make this work consistently, AI assistants need to be plugged into 4 key parts of your freelance workflow. The first bucket is client acquisition. AI writes your outreach messages, proposals, and follow-ups, creating consistent opportunities without manually chasing every lead. The second bucket is client delivery. This is where real scaling happens. AI produces the first draft, and you refine it. Your delivery speed increases, but your hours don't. The third bucket is systems and administration. AI helps manage task lists, meeting notes, and content calendars, reducing your mental load and making scaling sustainable. The fourth bucket is upsells and recurring revenue. AI helps you create templates, digital products, and subscriptions, so each client becomes more valuable without costing you more time. An important misconception is that scaling with AI makes your work robotic. In reality, it does the opposite. AI removes friction, allowing you to spend less time typing and more time thinking and building relationships. Quality actually improves because your energy is focused on the high-leverage tasks that matter most. So how do you start leveraging AI today to scale your freelance business? Start simple. Set up one AI assistant, automate one workflow bucket, and then scale from there at your own pace. Download the free AI Money Starter Kit below for beginner-friendly workflows. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple systems and real income.